In this video, we'll be showing you how to add food vouchers for sale. First, make sure you are logged in as administrator. To add food vouchers for a product group, browse to Admin, Product Groups, and then select Products from the management menu of the relevant group. Or if you would like to add them for an event, browse to Admin, Events, and then select Tickets and Products from the event management menu of the relevant event. Then select Add Product from the Manage menu. Give the product a name, a SKU, or one will be allocated for you, and then ensure you select the product type of voucher. Then enter a price and a stock quantity. Scroll down and click the Add Product button when you are finished. Your voucher will be available for your customers to purchase in your shop. As it is a voucher, an e-voucher will be sent to the customer with their order confirmation email. And that's it, you can now successfully add food vouchers for sale. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.